How to post Instagram stories from your PC. First, you'd want to go to Instagram.com. Once you get here, make sure that you are logged in. As you can see, on the PC there is no option for you to post a story. For that, what you have to do is go to any blank space on the screen. Then you would have to do a right click. Now at the very bottom you can see the option of Inspect. Once you do that, this bar should appear on the left side of the screen. Now at the very top you can see a phone icon, you just have to click on that. Moving on the right side of the screen you can see dimensions. Now you just have to click on a device. I have selected Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. After that is done, just go ahead and refresh the page. Now you will be able to see Instagram on a phone format. Finally, just go ahead and click on your story. Now you just have to select the picture from your PC. Once that is done, you just have to click on Add to Story and you are good to go. So there you have it. That is how you post Instagram stories from your PC. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.